Deep in the rugged heart of the Ethiopian Highlands, where the sun kisses the earth and the mountains stand tall like the ancient spirits of the land, there lived a young woman named Sehe. With eyes that shimmered like the first light of dawn, she was the jewel of her village, her family's pride, and a symbol of strength and grace. But hidden beneath her poised exterior was a heart that longed for something more than the life laid before her. As the daughter of a powerful chief, Sehe's fate was sealed long before she was born. Her marriage to Dawit, the son of a nobleman, had been promised long ago, an alliance forged in the fires of tradition and politics. But love was never part of the bargain. One day, in a hidden corner of the Highlands, she met Bekele, a simple farmer whose heart burned with the fire of 1,000 suns. His soul, wild and free, matched hers in every way. They shared stolen moments beneath the ancient trees, whispered words of love that only the wind could carry. But love is not always enough. The weight of tradition, the unyielding pressure of family honor, these forces were far stronger than their hearts. Dawit, the man chosen for her, was not blind. He sensed the love between them and sought to destroy it, with the power of his family and the might of his jealousy. Now, in a world where love is forbidden, where betrayal lurks in every shadow, Tsahai and Bekele must decide, will they risk everything for love, or will they bow to the demands of a society that values tradition over passion? The price of love is always high.